Hey guys, I'm back to another clean phone video. In today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless. Yes, guys, from popular demand. I'm talking a little bit more about Cricket Wireless today, and they have a special deal going on right now, which is honestly a steal at this price. It's crazy. I mean, I would have jumped on this if I don't already have, like a Galaxy S9 and a Note 10 Plus. But Cricket Wireless is offering a Samsung Galaxy S10 for only $400, guys. Yeah, so only $400. That's a crazy good deal. Judging from this phone, it's like pretty expensive. We'll get to that in just a little bit, but let's see and read this. So this is brought to you by prepaidphonenews.com, so shout out to them. I will also transition into the website in just a little bit, but they did a good job with this article, and I want to kind of share it with you. It says the Samsung Galaxy S10 is one of the hottest flagship devices of 2019, which is true. So when it comes across when you come across a Galaxy S10 being sold under $500, it's already quite a steal, which is true. It's well, wow. It says Cricket Wireless has been offering a hard to miss deal on the Galaxy S10. You can purchase the Galaxy S10 for only $399.99 when you port in a number and activate service under the $40 per month plan. The plan already comes with the unlimited talk, text, data, and 10 gigabytes of mobile hotspot, guys. So what a steal. So let's go officially to their website. So you can see here it is, Cricket Wireless, Samsung Galaxy S10. Original price is $800, guys. $800. You're getting half off on this phone. $799.99, and then you can get it with pouring your number in for $399.99. So like I said, requirements, you have to put it at least on $40 plan, or you can put any other plan, but 40 is the minimum. Now, you do have to port in from a competing carrier. It cannot be AT&T related, so anything that uses AT&T service, your number will not be eligible. So no H2O, no AT&T prepaid, no Cricket, anything like that. But if you have like Sprint, Verizon, T-Mobile, US Cellular, any other carrier, you'll be fine. You have to port your number in. So it says must port in and activate new line on minimum $55 a month voice plan, first month service charge and tax due on sale. Now they, like I said, prepaidphonenews.com said at least a $40 plan, but here Cricket's saying at least a $55 plan. So I don't know, I would kind of go with maybe just going with a $55 monthly plan. I don't know, that's what they say, but still good deal though. I mean, for $10 more, I'd rather pay the extra $10 for $55 a month plan and get it half off. It says new lines pricing available once every 90 days. Speed, usage, and additional restrictions apply. Full retail price is $899.99. Now that's what they're saying. It's their full retail price, but if you get it, I guess you can save $100 and get it for $800 with just a new line. But yeah, of course, here's the phone. It only comes in Prism Black, but still very good phone, guys. For this price, look at these specs. You can't go wrong. It's definitely a flagship phone. The best phone for $400 is the best one, hands down. It'll wipe anything out there in the market for that price. So if you have AT&T coverage in your area, this is a good deal for you. Remember, Cricket Wireless runs on AT&T's network, so make sure you check the coverage, which you can right there. Just see how it is in your area. If it's good, then go ahead and jump on this deal if you want it. If you're an Android guy, that's what I mean. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe.